The Kitchen Electronic Measuring Spoon Food Scale is a handy little gadget designed to help you measure ingredients with precision. It weighs from 0.1 grams up to 500 grams and supports multiple units like grams, ounces, grains, and carats. Perfect for bakers, home cooks, or anyone tracking portions, it combines a measuring spoon with a digital scale for easy, accurate measurements. So how does it perform? Well, it's surprisingly accurate for its size and price. A number of users tested it with reference weights and found that it consistently hit the mark, even at 100 or 200 grams. One Amazon reviewer wrote, "I double-checked with my lab scale, and this thing was spot on. The display is easy to read, and the buttons are straightforward. It responds quickly when you add or remove ingredients, and features like tare and unit switching are simple to use." Another user said, "Super easy to figure out. I didn't even need the instructions." Now, it's not all perfect. Some users reported battery issues, saying the batteries drained even when the scale was turned off. One person commented, "I've started removing the batteries after each use just to be safe." That's something to keep in mind if you don't plan on using it every day. Build quality is another sticking point. The spoon feels light, almost too light, and several users mentioned it feels flimsy. One reviewer said, "It works great, but it doesn't feel like it'll last more than a year or two." And if you're measuring super light ingredients, like spices or powders under half a gram, you might run into some accuracy issues. A few people noted that readings can fluctuate if the spoon isn't perfectly still or level. Another challenge: the spoon isn't fixed solidly to the handle. If it wobbles or shifts while measuring, your reading might be off. As one reviewer put it, "You really have to hold it steady. Any little movement throws the weight off." That said, for most everyday kitchen tasks, it's a helpful little tool. It's especially useful for portion control or baking when you need to be precise. And for the price, most people agree it's good value. So if you're looking for a compact, affordable, and reasonably accurate way to measure ingredients, this digital spoon scale might be worth a spot in your kitchen drawer. Just don't expect perfection, and maybe keep those batteries out when you're not using it.